Have you ever thought about becoming a published author? Have you ever dreamed of holding your very own books with your name on the front of them in your hands? It is a dream come true. If you've ever thought about sharing your knowledge, sharing your expertise, creating memories and storing that legacy of information into the pages of your very own book, now is your chance. Hi, I'm Sarah Cordiner. I'm a 14 times published author, 5 times international #1 bestseller, and I wrote my first best-selling book in just 72 hours. I've been using books, and a lot of the people that I've been working with are using books to show their expertise in their field, to put them up on Amazon, to share that knowledge with as many people as possible, and to do that in a way that actually builds your business, your brand, your name, your reputation, your credibility in your industry as well. Now, in my course, you can access absolutely every single step, every how-to of how to get that knowledge, that information out of your head and onto the pages of a book that you can hold in your hand for the rest of your life too. In my course, this is delivered online, so it doesn't matter where in the world you are. All of the content's pre-recorded, and there is a community behind the scenes where we all communicate with each other, help each other, keep each other accountable every single day. This online course will take you 30 days to get through. And inside the course, I will take you through literally every single step to get your book published, either on Kindle or in print form, or both. So it's going to show you the strategies for print and for Kindle. In module 1, we're going to go through exactly how to actually plan and outline your book, how to actually organize the structure, what's going to be in it, how to find the content that people are going to absolutely love, what content is massively high in demand right now that people are going to just want to click that buy button on Amazon to get your book. Then module 2, we talk about how to actually write the book. Now, I said to you I wrote my book in 72 hours, but I want to assure you that you do not have to be a speed touch typer pro at English to be able to write a book. There are techniques that even if you can just talk, I will show you how you can talk out your book without having to pay for any dictation technology or equipment at all. Please do not feel like you have to be amazing at writing or grammar or spelling in able to be able to share your message, to be able to share your stories, to share your experiences with the world. That you have people out there who are going to really learn and benefit from what it is that you have to share, even if you're not a pro writer. I'm going to be showing you how to do this well. I'm also going to talk to you about how to actually edit and format your book. You know, how to get those page numbers in there, how do you make it look pretty, how do you get, chapter 1 in the right central position. I'm going to make sure that that's all structured out for you, how to get those pages at the front, that your acknowledgements and your copyrights and things like that in there. I'm going to be showing you how to actually create your book covers. So there's ways that you can get these professionally done. There's ways that you can do these yourself, and I'm going to show you both the budget version and those of you who do want to make it super duper flash. Either way, you can create an absolutely amazing, beautiful cover, front and back, for your books, no matter what your budget is. I'm going to be walking you through those steps. And then finally, module 5, how to actually publish your book. How do you actually get your book onto Amazon? How do people buy that book and then it suddenly deliver at their house in their hand, right? It's actually a lot easier than you think, and any of you who've checked out my YouTube channel will see that I do have demonstration videos up there that show you that publishing a book on Amazon actually only takes 10 minutes. I've got a video literally 10 minutes long showing you how to do that. But of course, if you want the help behind the scenes to actually write the book in the first place, get this content together, structure it, edit it, format it, have it looking professional, representing you, your brand, your information, your knowledge in the right way, come on in and join my course, How to Write and Self-Publish Your Own Print Book and ebook. Now, by the way, I've actually thrown a bonus into this course. I've also published a number of children's books, and I've had a lot of my students, although this is about non-fiction, ask, how do we publish a kid's book? We've got children, we want to write something for or with our kids too. And so I have thrown in a bonus module into this course on actually how to create illustration-based books as well. So those of you who want to write children's books or picture image books of any kind, you will also get what you need from this program as well. Now, in terms of how much this program costs, it is an absolute bargain. You will get access to myself for 30 days and be part of the book writing family. You can buy this course for lifetime access for just $147. That's 147 US dollars. Lifetime access to that program, lifetime access to the content, including all future upgrades, and lifetime access to the secret Facebook community as well. Now, if you don't want to buy the lifetime access, you just want to jump in in for 30 days, then you might want to join our Academy version. It's exactly the same content, exactly the same group, exactly the same experience. It's just that you only sign up for 30 days, and that's just $47. Now, when you sign up for the 30 days access, you also get access to well over 40 of my other online courses and programs as well. Yes, really. Of course, it's only for 30 days, but that will give those of you who maybe just want to test this out, just to see if you like it, just to see if it's for you, that will be an option that you can choose as well. So go on over to sarahcordner.com. I was going to say my name. So go on over to sarahcordner.com/book challenge, and you can choose to either get lifetime access to this program for $147, or you can choose to get the 30-day access with all of my 40 other courses as well for just $47. I look forward to seeing you there. Bye for now.